Akufado so essential all the factories are in other central region.
Yo, six so far.
Factories are in.
So far,
minimum central region. Na me fed them stre Akufado.
Edia guba umi animu ase. Obi amfani calculator. Ghana, our debt to GDP. Obi amfani calculator. Yenye we intem. Me say, Akufado no do unyano no. Sebu nim. Na mutu manisi omuswa. Onyankopon pe kwan bi odigu mu ni na amanimu ase. Ya papa Mahama. All the far bendiano. Now your debt to GDP is 55%. Obi antronto. Please. 55%. The debt to GDP ratio. Now you're 55%. A year 2016, when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was exiting office, now your debt to GDP ratio do 69%. Please, and you can confirm this and cross-check and come and tell me, say, you're trying to meet her. Mr. Remo, may have told you, say, me here research, I'm a metra in Jimmy. Mr. Remo, Murunkum Banks, me patoya Papa Mahama, all befa ben miano, atamiri suwu ya wo befano. Now your debt to GDP ratio, no, now you're 55%. Yana makano, also caution the Africa, take a subu here who say, and tra. Oh, fra Bemu 2016, no. Now I bet do 69%. Me good Captain Smart, you know, if you are near Kobokasia, Kevin Taylor, and Suyem, because and there are no name the war pastor. This week in now, maybe Miano to then, make Tianas, Mashada crap pepper, a through his son of Intia. So at Yasia, and a master now coffee born to ano, dear who to me be, because my house was known as a man, one ma, no man, Niam, and to Bruno still I do on the yem. Me who say Kevin Jimmy Taylor no say my mbomodin amma sebi esurubisa ene meswano mama meswana nkomumo ama ne nkuni yamu kuro na ode the sam of sa no de akankwase asem sa no de ewu ye do no nti ye mani wu nkwase ewu enti say makra ye hu dwabre me onipa na nam kantamanto abrefi wo topepre esurubisa efomwisa so ade ase nhirawa meswani ade no ye de ni na ebefra ye wi ane ye de carbide kakra tum ne ye de acid motor battery no acid na ewom no ne ye de be atre ba ko bi pe ne ye de asome che no mu na ye concussion ye kanu mu saa ne ya pe bento black no ne ye de buagu no to because we jimi Taylor no we jimi akola bi a wo mu pani bi a wo ye jimi fo akola bi a wo mfa buo ma pani a wo ne pani ka say ne how e didi pani atam any how bi ano wo jimi fo na akola so de wo jimi akoya se menana weni atie kokko kakra o si wo yare obesa wo twu mu tan obesa eni enko kakra se we wakoyo ba wonnam fie no weni atie kokko kakra na abena wo yare bra ye besa wo enti lu Kevin Taylor na bra so se ye se nsra wane ade na me kraba no ye duku bentuam ye fe ne to ye frɛ Papa Duru ne ye frɛ Lawyer Bafo ne ye frɛ Pa Junior ne wo musu so ne nsam ne nenamu ne ye ma eye da na rivers no no wo bu ka concussion nukum se ya na doctor musu kura me bonto a nti ye bogu man efi bogu ne yamusi wo de car bad ne battery no wo du gu Kevin Taylor no wo du gu ne trum afa bogu ne yamusa wi a ne ya ma Mr. Aban no omo wo abetia kakraka no ene alosia no na omo esodi na ma akosuru sei na ya woso ye wi ane de nesu afi opa on opa ma ne ye gya no why Kevin sa na ye be yo this week ye be saw kama ye wi a ya woso nan na ye de wesu nto de obe ne ane on ne so atena ho because why your hu say jimi no wo be jimi na so be jimi so de a ene ye MPP fo a me ka ho no ye wa jimi fo bi te se me ya bodam basa ye bi anya fo tan
Oh bro go
sa pepe ena Kevin Taylor no ye be ye no hwa when you sit down and allow somebody to be feeding you with misinformation information or the be to say emfa kwan mu now so we say because of your allegiance to something in at the end of the day, it is you who gets disgraced. Okay? it is you who get disgraced. Captain Smart, Eko cha na no, se wo becha sebe ba umia, be di na temuno. Onyankopon so nam ne nyansa so ala nam ne nyansa ne odo wo ma ba umia nti, epe kwan bi, edigu ono Captain Smart na animu aso ono ade show so kra no nim kra so weti. Sa ne nyame ye na de. Osi Ahitofele futu ma ne nya nkwasi asem. Sa no de aye sa Jimmy for no. Enu nti Mr. Mahama came to pick it debt to GDP ratio at 55. Exiting office was 69. Meaning, so we calculate how to me show board no so am I no be able to calculate any anke. You remember Sabas na no be actually. But be I to me show calculator wa. But who fear won't show me. Who calculator who phone so and so who kura wan kasa calculator. What the shop na who show me a mesra for calculator na yanya mas we. Ya say Akufo-Addo abobo siachi obi amebo asa no mo pa kire yo yate. Mr. Mahama ebe fan 55, office day 69. For you to know the difference, no, Obeti 55, every 69. That is how you calculate it, Mr. Remo. It is a 55, every 69 more. Me, honorable Kenkai, I send on Pim, G, them say 14%. They are mimi no. I don't know what somebody else is also getting. Okay, thank you. Me pato, but 69 minus 55 ni anke di ebenya. 69. There be 69 minus 55. Okay, me pato say na unya 14%. 14%. Me pato mu hwe ni ye. Mr. Mahama dey no e ho de kosi ye 14%. Please, Mr. Ramo. Mo bia me kan kire me say dia me kan yentro. Yentro na also do figures a good page so. 69 minus 55, about 14%. Captain Jimmy no. Now James so obey way e de aguba umi animu ase. Eni Nyankopon gu n'animu ase. Yo, 2017 Akufo-Addo in power now. Obefa no at 69%. Say ya ka say per IMF rating, yes, 77%. First, na ye answer time na mo yes ade de win na 74. But here for 74 ni nyadwuma. Ye ma NDC for akomanto omo yem say wo de omo say o minor tete percent. Ye ma de omo pe. Obefa no at 69. Say ya da 77. Enti boss, me patcho 77 minus 69. Ahi na wunya 8%. 8%. Me patcho 14 minus 8. Why are you people doing this to yourself? Now Captain Smart, you say, Uncle Obey Samas, no, now the clueless and this friend Jimmy for no more to go good at Jack as I had. He's no one says, Sabby said, boy, on one. Abo papa, what doing Sabby said, boy, on him, slow him on one who no or say no. Oh, baby, good by me anymore. Who figures so and you're correct. And what that part dead, no. And there is no way anybody who is in their right thinking mind will tell me, say, Sabby, 6% is 8% bigger than 14%. Unless you are 10 of them.